Hi, babies. We got Mama's little furry babies coming out to say hi. This little black one seems to be the boldest. He came right out towards me. Hi. Hi. I've never petted him. Hi. She lost her last 3 beautiful babies. We took them in the house to try to keep them alive, and they died within 2 days. Like, I don't know, like they got some disease or something. I don't know, and they just died. Yeah, you got beautiful babies, Mommy. We think she's part Siberian forest cat. Now you get away from them, babies. You guys get away from them. I don't want you giving them your eye infections. Hi. Hi, look at you. Oh, it's letting me pet it. Looky there. Yeah, it is. Hi. How about you? I'm petting you as well. Hi. These other ones. Oh, it's on my foot. Looky here. Hi. The only one I've never touched now is this other one back here. Hi, 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 hi. Hi, baby. Oh my goodness, it let me touch it too. Come on, you guys get away. Hi, 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 hi. All right, guys, come on. The big ones are wanting me to pet them so they won't leave them alone. Come on, babies, come on. Come on, leave the babies alone. Come on. Here, kitties. Come on. Come on, kitties. Here. So, all right, guys, I'm going to take you out and show you the other pumpkins that actually have pumpkins. So, you know, guys, I spent 11 years in Southeast Asia. I lived in the Philippines, and I've been back stateside 10 years. Sal was born in the Philippines. I brought him with me at 3. It's been just him and I. And the issue is, and the problem is, I'm finding is, I want a year-round climate to grow vegetables and crops. You know, I keep getting behind on all this stuff. And with all the projects I have, I need a year-round climate, guys. I mean, a year-round climate of hot. Winter time is non-productive for me, period. And the big issue is moving 14 tractors. I'd have to hire a semi to haul them for me. So, and you know, we tilled this up, and we still got some weeds, but look, this is all sand, guys. This had never been tilled, ever. This had always been pasture that I know of since about 1760. And then it was planted in a heavy pasture grass. And I tilled it. First I plowed it. I plowed it, then I rototilled it, then you name it, and I did it. And I'm going to try to show you some pumpkins that are hiding in the weeds over here. Yeah, here's one. Here's one down in here. Oh, that's a baby pumpkin. Look at that. It is a baby pumpkin, guys. And it never got any bigger. Yet the one that's beside it, maybe I'm at the end. Yeah, I am at the end. Okay. Here's a bigger one. See it? It's a lot longer, but it's still a baby pumpkin. These are out of our pumpkin seeds, guys, from last year. Only we had bigger pumpkins. Last year we just didn't have many because of the drought. Look at there. There's another one. Look at there. Some bugs eating on it? I think so. So last year, I spent the whole year working on a pumpkin crop for Sal, and then we got a drought for the 3rd year. So it is what it is, guys. So this year I spent the whole year on tractors, and we probably got enough rain to do something, and I didn't get it done.